Lene Monet here, and I am back with another video, guys. So today I have decided to show you how I warm up my crabs. I don't know what you call it, not because the crabs are not alive, okay? These crabs have already been seasoned and cooked. The only thing that I will be doing is warming them up. However, I'm a stickler for them tasting the exact same way that they tasted when I bought them. So I'm going to show you everything that I do, and then we're going to have a seafood boil or a mukbang, but it'll be only blue crab. Yeah. So if you're interested, stay tuned because we're about to get right into the video. Alright guys, so I know this is probably a weird setup, but this is how it's going to be because this is the only way you guys can see everything. So I usually get me this is a really large pot. Now it depends on how many crabs you have. I only have 9 because I did eat some a couple days ago, well, like a day ago. And 9 will fit in here comfortably so that they can still be juicy, good, warm. So you want to get a pot that will not have them, you know, too on top, stacked on top of each other. Yeah, that's what I'm trying to say. So you don't want to get a pot that's too small. You want to get one that's fairly large enough that they still can have some space. They'll be on top of each other, but it won't be crowded, if that makes sense. Okay, so what I usually do is, first of all, let me turn the stove on because this is a big pot and it's going to take a minute for that to start boiling. If you can't tell, it is not a lot of water in here at all, okay? Very shallow, a little teeny bit of water. I have this on medium high, and what I like to do, okay, this is the special ingredient over here. Get me a beer. This is what you need. Look, the cheaper the better. You don't need to go out here getting, you know, bomb beer, no expensive beer, okay? We shouldn't be spending $5 to $6, $7 for beer, okay? This was $1 and like 30, something like that. And it's probably because it's a bigger one, you know. I'm just letting y'all know that I am going to drink the rest of the beer. Don't judge me, okay? I'm not a man, but we're going to use half a can. We're going to use about half a can in here. And what I'm doing is I'm not cooking the crabs. I'm only steaming them. Some people cook them, some people steam them. Okay? We're going to use half. Alright, that feel about right. Fill it out and test it. I'm going to take a little break. Just don't mind me. Wow. You know, after a long, hot day, I am telling you, it's lit. Then we're just going to let this come to a boil, and I'll be right back. Alright, guys, so I am back. And as you can see, it's pretty much... it's coming to a boil. Let me move out of the way so you guys can see that. It's coming to a boil. What you're going to need is some tongs, or if you want to use your hands, that's completely up to you. I'm just going to reach in my bag. Here is my bag of crabs. Yum. And start putting them in the pot. I will start putting them all in there. Don't they look good? You can't tell me these don't look good, man. They look absolutely delicious. Okay, and the reason why earlier I know I said I'm an adult, and my reason for saying that was because, I mean, if you're giving this to children, I don't know, because I've been to cookouts and people use beer to cook crabs, and I don't see a problem. You know, I never seen nobody child over there acting drunk, so I think it's okay, but I think you should just use your own discretion when making those type of decisions. I probably wouldn't do it if it was my child. But if it's a bunch of adults, I'm telling you, this gives the crabs a great flavor. Okay, and I think I got them all in there. So we good. Put them little legs in there. And what I like to do as these are cooking is turn them. So I'll go ahead and let this simmer for a little bit. Put the top on it. Get you a pan that has a top because you're going to need the top. I'm going to turn it down to about between medium and high. And let this steam go ahead and get through here for about, usually I might do like 5 minutes. Like I said, I'm not cooking them. So we're doing about 3 to 5 minutes, and then I'm turning them so that the other ones can get beer in them as well. It's going to be very juicy and delectable. Okay, listen to your girl. She knows something. So we're going to do 3 minutes, flip. 3 minutes, flip. And then I'll probably do that about 2 to 3 times, and then they'll be ready to eat. Okay. All right, so it's been about 3 minutes roughly. And I'm just going to take these because I don't want to burn them, because I know the ones down at the bottom are really getting soaked up. So I'm just moving them around. Everybody getting a chance, okay? Take a hot bath. Okay, everybody gets a chance in the jacuzzi. can smell it. Ooh, it smells so good. And it doesn't smell, it smells like beer, but it's not an overwhelming smell of beer. Like, it's lit. It smells really good. And these were well seasoned. Yep, and you're just taking all the ones from the bottom and putting those on the top. Letting that steam get in there. Flip these around. I like mine to face down because, I mean, that's where the meat is at. Ain't no point in heating up the shell. We need to get to the body, right? We let that sit. Okay, guys, so this is fairly repetitive. Now you can really see the steam. So I thought I was about to burn myself. Now you can really see the steam from the crabs, okay? Yeah, you can see that. I'm gonna say, can y'all see that? Yes, you can really see that steam. I'm gonna go ahead, get them from off the bottom. Bring them to the top. There we go. Okay. Alright, and this is pretty repetitive. So this time, what I'm going to do is go ahead and put that lid on. And then I'm going to show you guys how to make my hood sauce. I told y'all about that hood sauce. That's how we do it in the DMV around this area. We got a hood sauce that we eat our crabs with. Let me show you how to get to that. I'm going to leave this right here. Can y'all see that? We're just going to leave that right here. Don't mind that. And I'm just going to turn it down on like simmer. Not off, just simmer. This is not hot. So nothing to worry about, okay? Now, anybody else, don't do it right there. Okay? Yeah, anybody else, don't do it right there, okay? It's probably not safe. Probably not safe. All right. So you want to get you some mayonnaise. Whatever kind you prefer. What is this? Oh, Hellmann's. Ah, I get on my own nerves. Okay. Hellmann's, right? Yes. Hellmann's mayonnaise. That's what I like. Get what you like. Okay? I ain't telling y'all, get whatever you can afford. Now, everything about this sauce is eyeballed. Okay? There is no directions to this at all. I'm going to tell you that now. Everything about this is eyeballed. Now, it's to your own personal preference. As I stated before, this is ketchup. Whoops. Ketchup. Heinz. And then mustard. Your own choice of mustard, okay? How much you want. Some people don't like mustard. Some people don't put mustard in theirs. I understand. I get it. It makes sense. This is my sugar. It's ghetto. It's in a pickle jar. Put some. Now. Oh my God. Did y'all see that shit? Now you don't ever want that much sugar in it. Whoops. Let me get half of this out. Because you don't even want that much sugar in it. Mess around, have diabetes. It's already bad. I'm about to have high cholesterol. Mess around with this Old Bay. Just scoop it out. This is Old Bay. I just actually got this from the place where I got my crabs from. So I like their seasoning a little bit better. It's a little bit more authentic. But I do have some Old Bay here as well that you can also put in there. But it is Old Bay is Old Bay, whichever you prefer. Some are better qualities than other. So that's just some Old Bay I'm putting in there. And then I like to use a little bit of apple cider vinegar. Just a little bit, a capful, depending on how much you're making. Okay? We're gonna give that a good little stir. Move some of that sugar around. There is no right or wrong way. You taste this. Always taste your food. And I don't care what you're making. You should always be tasting your food anyway. Taste your food. Make sure you like it. This is about the color that I like for mine to be. I just make sure all the ingredients are nice and stirred up. Okay, let me taste that. See if I like it. Girl. When I say you delectable, that's good. Now that right there, that's delicious. Y'all gotta try it. Don't knock it till you try it. You hear me? Alright guys, so the crabs are pretty much done. I'm gonna go ahead and plate them and get it all set up so we can go ahead and have a seafood feast real quick. So I will see you at the table. Alright.